Fire damages classroom at St. Mary High School.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Several students and staff at the St. Mary High School in Highgate got a slight scare on Friday afternoon, April the 20th, when a classroom with a smart board was engulfed by flames. The fire, which was confined to a classroom on the grade 9 block, reportedly started sometime before 3 o'clock. The students were quickly evacuated and fire personnel were called to the scene. One of the school's vice principal, Donette Lewis, explains what unfolded.
The fire took place on the grade 9 block. We have 3 classrooms, so that building is detached from the rest of the buildings at school. So only 3 classrooms are on that building, and it started in one of the rooms that is used as a classroom, and the interactive board is inside that room. So actually when the fire started, no one was in that room at that time. But beside it, 2 classes were being held at that time.
Mistress Lewis stated that the cause of the fire is not yet known.
Up to this point, we're not sure how the fire really started, if it's an electrical problem or what. The fire department was here, and they have not concluded as yet what is the real cause of the fire. All students and staff, yes, have been accounted for, and no injuries, only damages to the building. Some student properties were still in the classroom, like their bags and books and so on.
But said she was thankful no one was hurt. She also stated that as a result of the fire, after-school activities for the day was cancelled. In the meantime, the school's principal, Juliet Fraser Sadar, says come next Monday, efforts will be made to accommodate dislocated teachers and students as best as possible. The estimated cost of damage has not yet been ascertained.
It's going to create quite a bit of dislocation, because it means that we're going to have to house 9-5 and 9-6 students elsewhere. And if we do so, it means that other teachers will be dislocated, because they would have had classes in those classrooms and they can no longer have classes. So come Monday, we are going to have to sit and rearrange and reorganize in order to ensure that the process is not disturbed too much. That is the teaching learning process.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.